The deep ocean is a world of mystery. It is home to creatures that seem like they are from another planet. Recently, some of these deep-sea dwellers have been appearing at the surface. Giant squid, once the stuff of legends, have been spotted by fishermen. Oarfish, long silvery fish that can grow to over 30 feet long, have been found washed ashore. These sightings are unusual. Deep-sea creatures are adapted to life in a very different environment than the surface. They are used to cold, dark water and crushing pressure, so why are they coming up? The answer is simple: climate change. Anglerfish, with their eerie bioluminescent lures, have also been seen closer to the surface. Gulper eels, known for their enormous mouths, have been spotted in shallower waters. Even deep-sea jellyfish, with their translucent bodies, have been observed near the surface. These creatures are venturing into a world that is vastly different from their own. The deep ocean remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth, and its inhabitants are now becoming unexpected visitors to our world. The ocean is absorbing most of the heat trapped by greenhouse gases. This is causing the ocean to warm up, even at great depths. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide trap heat in the atmosphere, which is then absorbed by the ocean. For deep-sea creatures, this warming water is a serious problem. Species like the anglerfish and giant squid are highly sensitive to temperature changes. They are adapted to a very narrow range of temperatures. Even a slight increase can disrupt their metabolic processes and reproductive cycles. As the water gets warmer, they have to move to find cooler water. This migration can be stressful and energy-consuming. This is why we are seeing more deep-sea creatures at the surface. They are seeking refuge from the rising temperatures in their usual habitats. They are being forced to migrate by the changing conditions in their deep-sea homes. This shift can lead to increased competition for resources and new ecological challenges. Warmer water also holds less oxygen. This creates challenges for all marine life, not just deep-sea creatures. All marine animals need oxygen to breathe, just like we do. As the oxygen levels in the ocean decline, it becomes harder for marine life to survive. Imagine trying to breathe in a room with less and less air. That is what it is like for marine life as the ocean warms and loses oxygen, affecting entire ecosystems. As if climate change wasn't enough, deep-sea creatures are also facing a new threat: deep-sea mining. Companies are now looking to the deep ocean for valuable minerals. These minerals are used in everything from smartphones to electric cars. However, deep-sea mining is incredibly destructive. It involves scraping the ocean floor, destroying everything in its path. This would be devastating for deep-sea ecosystems, which are already under stress from climate change. For example, hydrothermal vent ecosystems, home to unique species, are particularly vulnerable. The process creates massive sediment plumes, disrupting the water column and smothering marine life. Deep-sea coral reefs, which are biodiversity hotspots, could be irreparably damaged. Section 5, A Sea of Troubles, the political dimension. Protecting the deep ocean is a complex issue. The deep ocean is beyond the jurisdiction of any single country. This makes it difficult to create and enforce regulations to protect it. However, there have been successful efforts in international cooperation. Countries need to work together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and to regulate deep-sea mining. The United Nations has played a crucial role in facilitating treaties and agreements. Successful conservation projects and marine protected areas are examples of what can be achieved through collaboration. Continued international dialogue and joint efforts are essential to safeguard our deep oceans for future generations. Section 6. A call for action: protecting our oceans. The future of the deep ocean and the amazing creatures that live there is in our hands. We must act now to protect this vital part of our planet. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable seafood, and speaking out against destructive practices like deep-sea mining. Use reusable products, opt for public transportation, and participate in local recycling programs. Join social media campaigns, attend community meetings, and educate others about ocean conservation. Remember, collective action is key. Together, we can make a difference. Section 7. Knowledge is power, education, and awareness. Many people are unaware of the wonders of the deep ocean and the threats it faces. Education and awareness are crucial. We need to teach the next generation about the importance of ocean conservation. Documentaries, museums, and educational programs can all play a role in raising awareness. Programs like Ocean Guardians, Save Our Seas, and the Blue Schools Initiative have successfully raised awareness and inspired action for ocean conservation. Section 8. The future of our oceans. A shared responsibility. The ocean connects us all. It provides us with food, oxygen, and regulates our climate. Protecting the ocean is not just about saving the whales or the coral reefs. It is about safeguarding the future of humanity. A healthy ocean supports livelihoods, provides recreation, and is a source of inspiration. We all have a role to play in ensuring that future generations can enjoy a healthy and thriving ocean. Section 9, A Plea for the Planet. The deep ocean is a vast and mysterious realm, full of wonders we are only just beginning to understand. It is a vital part of our planet, and we have a responsibility to protect it. Let us act now, before it is too late. Join the movement. Take immediate steps to safeguard our deep ocean and our planet.